everyone, welcome to another quick video. Today I'll show you how to remove the glass on the side mirror. You'll need a prying tool and you start prying from here. This is how it looks on the back. So here have the plugs for the heating of the mirror. This is the motor. Here are the clips there holding the mirror. To put it back, you have to put these clips, this one and this one here, this one, and the other one here. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.